equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on cleaning the Thermomix TM31, focusing specifically on the plate and motor. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a soft cloth, a small brush, a screwdriver, and some warm soapy water. First, unplug your Thermomix to ensure safety during the cleaning process. Start by removing the mixing bowl and the blade. To do this, simply twist the bowl counterclockwise until it releases. Next, take the blade out by unscrewing it with your screwdriver. Be cautious, as the blades are sharp. Now, let's focus on the mixing bowl. Rinse it under warm water to remove any food residues. For stubborn stains, use a soft cloth with warm soapy water. Avoid abrasive cleaners as they can scratch the surface. If you find it challenging to clean, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your appliance is in top shape. Once the bowl is clean, set it aside to dry. Next, we'll clean the plate. Use your small brush to gently remove any debris or food particles stuck in the grooves. After brushing, wipe it down with a damp cloth. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to maintain your appliance without hassle. Now, let's turn our attention to the motor area. This is crucial for the performance of your Thermomix. Carefully inspect the motor for any dust or residue. Use a dry cloth to wipe it down, ensuring no moisture gets into the motor. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you keep your Thermomix running smoothly. After cleaning, reassemble your Thermomix by placing the blade back into the bowl and twisting it clockwise to secure it. Then, attach the mixing bowl back onto the base. Make sure everything is tightly secured before plugging it back in. Finally, run a short cycle with water to ensure everything is functioning correctly. This will also help to rinse out any remaining soap. Remember, regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your Thermomix. If you have any concerns or need assistance, we provide no calls, no travel services, making it convenient for you to get help when you need it. Thank you for following this guide on cleaning your Thermomix TM31. With these simple steps, you can ensure your appliance remains in excellent condition for all your cooking needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.